Hey everyone, just wanted to share with you all the Google PPC lead gen course that I did a few days ago on my school community. So if I show you the course outline really quick, it's got the foundation, the what and the why and the how, and then we've got research, how to do keyword research, different types of keyword match types and negative keywords. I've discussed everything and I've showed you everything. Quality score, which is very, very important for you to understand if you're doing lead gen PPC on Google. Also doing landing pages, ad copies, how to write ad copies, and how to take ChatGPT help. Also, how to track conversions on landing page and how to do call tracking, how to do campaign creation. So where I've actually shown how to create a campaign. And then obviously the most important thing after you create the campaign is optimizations. So I've showed you how to do regular optimization and keep making the campaign better. And then a bit of next step. So this will be, or this is actually already available on my school community, which you can get for free if you join the community. Anyway, this is one of the resources along with the meta lead gen course that I literally finished today. So it will be live entirely later today to the group members. And we've got other exciting stuff like the Friday weekly coaching sessions. The recordings are kept here, and also some other snapshots for digital agencies where I've created the snapshot and then I've shared it with you guys along with the tutorial video on how to create such a thing. So all these exciting stuff are currently live and available, and more exciting stuff are coming. I will put an update on my channel and social media on what's going on and what are my next plans for this. But for now, if you join, you can get access to all these and then start enjoying them, and obviously join the weekly coaching sessions every Friday. For now, maybe it will change, but right now it's every week, so you can get to ask me questions on the community obviously, but you also get to be a part of the weekly coaching sessions and then ask me questions directly there and I'll answer them directly. So the link to the community is in this video's description, so go ahead and watch it, and then if you want to join, then I'll see you on the other side.